Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I kind of like lifted up my thing a little bit just because I figured it looked like I was like going down this way a lot, so I just like I'm gonna lift it up. So I just got my boxyluxe and I thought I'd post it on here right away. I was so excited to be able to get it. To be honest, I'm supposed to be getting two other things in the mail. The shirt that I had ordered, and also these products that I also ordered in, what is it called? Through Drew Barrymore's website. And I really wanted to try this palette that I had seen someone else try and it looked amazing. So I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna order it, see how it goes. It is a very affordable product. It's like any other full face product, and I think a lot of people would like it. Of course, just if you are interested in checking it out, just go on Drew Barrymore's cosmetics and you can get like whatever you want, I guess, or you can order whatever. So this is my boxyluxe, and here is what came with brown paper apparently. Here's the pamphlet. I don't think there's nothing in this thing for this. So I got the Police Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF. That's exciting. So that's what I got. This retails for $35. Okay. I plan on doing a try on, so I don't want to like have everything. I mean, like you have no idea how bad of a mess right now my stuff is, and all right. Osea. So this is Osea Gua Sha Sculptor. So this is supposed to bring the spa home and mimic the effects of our cult favorite skincare studio treatment. Chisel, lift, and define facial contours. With this jade tool, melt muscle tension and improve skin firmness. With consistent use, facial gua sha can help smooth fine lines and wrinkles. This retails for $32. That's interesting. So, okay. Kylie's Skin. Did we get something in Kylie's cosmetic? Oh, we did. Okay. It's a Kylie's Skin foaming face wash. That's cool. Oh, this looks interesting. Look at that. That's a really cute way. Like, it's super cute. I like this. That is really cute. This retails for $24. That's actually really not that bad for some face wash, just because there's a lot of other face washes that is way expensive and it's just insane. So that's actually not that bad of a product. I might use this before I come back on here to do another video, because I do plan on doing a whole try on. So yeah. Alright, my next thing that I'm going to pick up is oh my god. I could not talk. Oh man, this is Per Heels by Nature Village. Propolis 80 sleeping mask. Didn't I just get a sleeping? Yeah, I did. I got this sleeping mask in my premium. So I got two. What the heck, Boxy? I mean, I need to do a whole bunch of videos, you guys. Oh. It smells good, but it looked like it kind of leaked. A little. So, I mean, it's a really heavy jar. It's really nice. This retails for $55. This is an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The propolis extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated sensitive skin. And it retails for $55. That's cool. Alright, so I got the charcoal brush set by BDB. This is Billion Dollar Brushes. So I did get this brush and I really liked it, so I'm actually really excited that I got some more brushes from them. And this also it's a 5-piece brush set. That's nice. And it values for $55. That's actually not that bad. I mean, most people are like, holy crap, you don't think that's that bad? No, that's really not, because there's a bunch of other brushes that are a whole lot more expensive compared to like this kind of brushes, I guess. But I mean, they look nice. Oh, and they feel nice too. These actually feel a whole lot nicer compared to this brush. I don't know why, but it does. So there is a powder brush. This is the powder brush right here. Contour brush. I don't have many of those, so that's nice. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow brush right here. The highlighter brush. And this is the concealer brush. So that's nice. I'm excited. I'm really excited about being able to try all these products. When this is all loaded up, of course, I will do a video on all the products that I have gotten. I'm actually really excited about this box because I've heard not so nice things about this. All right, next thing is a mascara. It's Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. This is value of $24. It's a little skinny, so I really want to know, like, is this really, like, how big is this mascara? If I can, like, ever get it loaded. There we go. So here is that mascara. It's really cute. It's like a flat black and it has like a little bit of decoration. And then here is the spoolie. So it looks nice. I like it. But yeah, like I said before, this mascara. It values for $24. Okay, lip pencil, bodyography, professional cosmetics. Oh, you get two. That's cool. Oh, they're really, one is really dark and one's like really nude, like a nudie color. So I'm assuming this is by bodyography. Yeah. It's a lip pencil or pencil set. So it is valued for $28. And the red one is called Rosewood, and this is what it looks like. And then Pouty for the nudie color. So that's cool. Alright, and then Tarte High Performance Natural Tarteus Pro. I think I got this palette, so I'll have to look. Ooh, this one looks a little damaged. There's like stuff. Okay, so it was on the film. So it has like a lot of like natural colors, which is so pretty. I swear, I think I might have this, so I'm gonna have to like look to see. And if I do, I'll probably just pass it down to somebody. But this values of $49. I'm not going to, of course, I'm not going to swatch it just because I'm like, well, if I have it, you know. Alright. And there we go. I'm gonna put all of the stuff back in here. I think that's it. It looks like that's it. Alright, so you guys, I am going to try. Oh, where's that foundation I just put? Oh, okay, I found it. The BB cream is right there. So, I am going to use these products after a while. Once this video is loaded and whenever it's all loaded up, of course I will go and make another video just so you guys can see what all the products look like. And yeah, I hope you all have a good day, and I will see you guys as soon as I can once this video is loaded. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and comment. I would appreciate all of that for all of that. And have a good day.